Having said that, your gym clothes have a hard life. They are used as sweat towels, stood on, thrown in bags, pulled down, pulled up, stretched. We have seen folks yell at their wholesale activewear USA. Though we can't help out with the last one, but in this blog we have put together some of our favorite hacks to ensure your hard-earned and treasured gym collection remains to look amazing for much longer. How to get wrinkles off of gym clothes and leggings. Firstly, never iron any of your stretchy materials like shorts, crops, or leggings, or else you will melt them. As for singlets and tees, if you must, at all times iron them inside out to steer clear of ruining any prints. If your crop tops or leggings get wrinkled, use a clothing steamer or a hairdryer, but from a distance. Yet again, the finest way to take care of wrinkles is to dry your clothing laying flat as mentioned earlier and folding them right.